Today, we're making a luxurious lobster bisque pasta using the Overmont newly designed cast iron Dutch oven. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need pasta, lobster meat, garlic, onion, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and of course, lobster bisque. Simple ingredients for a gourmet dish. Heat up your Overmont Dutch oven and melt some butter with olive oil. Sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. Now, stir in tomato paste, lobster bisque, and heavy cream. The Overmont Dutch oven's cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution, so your sauce cooks perfectly every time. The ripple design on the lid helps lock in moisture, ensuring your ingredients stay flavorful. Add your cooked pasta to the sauce and toss until it's fully coated. Finally, add the lobster meat, and finish with Parmesan cheese, and parsley. The larger handles make it easy to lift and serve, even when the pot is full. The Overmont Dutch oven makes every step of this recipe a breeze. Serve your lobster bisque pasta and enjoy a restaurant-quality meal at home. With the Overmont Dutch oven, cooking has never been this easy or this stylish. Upgrade your kitchen with the Overmont newly designed cast iron Dutch oven. Perfect for every recipe, every time. Get yours today. Thanks for watching. Bye.